Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is atomberg ceiling fan. In this video, you are going to learn how to use remote for controlling
செய்தி
speed.
அல்லவோ
First of all, switch
அல்லவோ
on the fan, and yes, fan is started rotating. Previous settings will be used. That is, if you keep full speed previously, that previous speed will be as of now taken. Okay, so full speed is now taken. Take out of remote. If you would like to control speed, you can use here. Okay, this is for speed 1. Okay, so if you press once, this one led will be glowing and speed is reduced to 1. Okay, then accordingly 2 means 2 led will be glowing. This is speed 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, for full speed use B, use this B. Okay, so full speed will be used. See, full speed. Okay, in this way you can easily control speed from the remote itself. Don't connect this fan with regulator. Okay, here regulator is not connected. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.